You come into the crypto markets without an exit strategy, you're going to end up riding the wave down and losing all of your gains. So hey guys, welcome back to Clockwise Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Diving right into the markets here, Bitcoin clears that level we were talking about yesterday. Clears 68,500 that we were saying was critical, pretty much breaking the neckline and confirming that this head and shoulders pattern is invalid. So we can remove this here and really look at the price and what's going on here. So bullish swing in full effect, double bottom here at the 61,000 level and set to make an all-time high. So where we can see right here, we made a low point, up, higher low, all-time high, which is a higher high, come back down, made a low, set to make a new all-time high, clearing the current all-time high, which sits at about $73,700. Okay, so about 74,000, depending on which exchange you are looking at. So very excited to see that. Very excited to see that neckline broken, because that sets the stage for other cryptocurrencies. So as we can see here, with that swing, we pretty much a swift change in momentum and bullish activity for most of the cryptocurrencies. You can see there's a lot of green within the past 24 hours as a result of that move. So we can still see how Bitcoin plays a major factor in altcoins. Okay, we always say this: Bitcoin is king, altcoins are key. Altcoins help you get more Bitcoin. So love what I'm seeing here. ICP near, look at the 24-hour percentages, just mostly green. Everything is up in correlation with Bitcoin. So fear greed's back up to 83 as a result as well. So let's take a look here at Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the charts, and we can actually look at some other pairs while we are here. We'll take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum sitting here, pretty much doing the same thing. Made a higher low point, as you can see right here. This was a higher low point, and came back. And we go to the weekly time frame, might be a little bit better. Came back here, and we can see what levels we were at. So I'll move this back up to where we had it, because this was based off of the weekly time frame. Pretty much a significant level of support we can put right there, as it's respecting that range. We can see a ton of respect there, and a new all-time high would be us clearing pretty much 5,000 psychologically. Right? I'm not going to say 4,900 or 4,800. It's 5,000. Like 5,000 psychologically, things are going to completely erupt. Let's take a look here at Cardano. Cardano, sleeping giant in my opinion. Not as much hype as it had once before, but I think that happens like every time. Cardano pretty much does not have the hype and momentum that other cryptocurrencies have, then ends up performing the same, if not better, than a lot of altcoins. Like Cardano went from 3 cents to $3, guys. And it was pretty much under the radar. When Cardano was at 3 cents, it was like, oh shoot, you start questioning like your life decisions, or you buy more. Okay, so for $3,000, you literally could flip $3,000 to $300,000 in a bull run. Think about that. It's crazy. So same thing here. We do see an inverted head and shoulders. So it is, showing bullish and respecting. Next level needs to break. It's showing right here at about 75 cents, breaking and heading up towards its all-time high, which is $3. So crazy to think about, right? The potential these altcoins are having. So definitely excited about that. And then let's take a look at Solana. So a lot of people have been talking about Solana. We can take a look at Solana here while we have some time. Solana is almost near its all-time high now. Now I understand the feedback in the analysis of Solana reaching $1,000. I think if you look at the supply and demand, and you look at where it's at, I think $1,000 is reasonable for sure. Is reasonable for sure, especially being number 5, top cryptocurrency in the world. So very optimistic on Solana. I do have my complaints about Solana, as you guys know, but from an investment standpoint, I definitely think money's to be made with Solana. Just being honest with you guys, definitely think money's to be made with Solana, hands down, for sure. XRP is definitely a sleeper, and the reason why I like XRP is because everyone's given up on it. Like, and I say everyone, I'm just generalizing, right? But a lot of people have given up on XRP because it hasn't performed the way most people think it should have, right? It's some poor price action. It's almost similar to like XLM. Like XLM never really performed to the expectations from a price action standpoint. Like technologically and from a builder standpoint, I think it's fundamentally sound. But when it comes to an investor standpoint, I don't think it's performed yet the way it should have. It should. And I think there's a lot of things going on that's keeping the price down. But I do think that XRP is a sleeper. I think the relationships that it has, the fact that the entire network is fueled by the token utility, I do think that XRP is going to be a sleeper because really, I think sky's the limit. They're the only crypto project to go pound to pound with the SEC and come out victorious. Okay, so when we look at the price action of XRP, for me, it makes me want to buy more. The reason why I say that is it makes me want to buy more when I see different like FUD or news talking about they're giving up on XRP or they sold their bag, right? When you hear that, that's incentivizing me to really take even a more deeper look at XRP. When I see that, because that's, for me, it's like blood on the streets, because it's a quality project. It's just not performing right now the way you think it should, right? And that's fair. That's a fair analysis, but I'm gonna preface that by saying Cardano did the same thing. Cardano's at 3 cents. People were like, it's dead. Okay. I think XRP is pretty much going to be the same when it comes to the fact that people have given up on it and there's huge opportunity there. So definitely not sleeping on XRP. Let's take one last look at this project, HBAR. HBAR, another project who, they made a high. Hasn't gotten anywhere near its all-time high, but it cleared that major level of resistance. It cleared that, came back, respected it, and it's based on the market conditions. I think it's done fairly well, given the market conditions and given pretty much everything that's happened within the past year. I would say this year in 2024, I think HBAR is moving pretty good. And, we'll see that momentum come the further we get into this bull run. So, what's your target? What is your exit strategy? Everyone should have an exit strategy. If you come into the crypto markets without an exit strategy, you're going to end up riding the wave down and losing all of your gains. So have an exit strategy, guys. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. See you soon.